this part of our topic we will be identify and combine like terms. Okay, so let's bring up an expression, and I give you 2a plus 5b minus 6a plus 4. Okay, this could be rewritten with like terms, and we can get rid of this negative sign here and put a plus there. We can do many things with it. Okay, and we can see that there are 4 terms here. So let's see, I could rewrite this to say 2a plus 5b plus, notice what I'm doing here, plus negative 6a plus 4. So now we have 4 terms: 2a, 5b, negative 6a, and 4. Those are the 4 terms, right? We can say that some of them are similar, and so we call them like terms or similar terms. For example, 2a and 6a are similar terms. Why? Because the variable that they hold are the same. 5b and 2 and the other ones are not like terms. The 4 is not a like term with any one of them, right? So that is what we call like terms. So let me write it here. Like terms unlike terms. Oops, let me take this out. So I could have include this one here and exclude this one here. The point is that those are unlike terms. Okay, so we have like terms and unlike terms. So let me give a definition for like terms before I continue to combining like terms then. So like terms. Like terms, or what people call also similar terms, are terms with exactly same variable, and not just the letter itself, but it must be to the same power. Same variables raised, and that's why they use the word raised, to exactly, okay, the same powers. Okay, any number, okay, or numbers are called constants. So if a number is by itself, it's simply known as a constant or constants. In an expression, okay, are considered to be like terms. What does that mean? It simply means that when you have all this, there can be numbers, as just how we had 4 here, we could have had here only 2, then 2 and the 4 would be like term. Okay, so that's what we mean by like terms. So like terms, so long as they're similar in that case, then we can say that they are like terms. Okay, let's start to combine these like terms now. So for us to combine like terms, let's bring up some examples. Here is how you will be combining the like terms. Simplify by combining like terms. So I'm going to write here the instruction. Simplify by combining like terms. Okay, so here we have now a negative 2b plus negative 8b. The way you're going to work this out is to add the coefficients of the like terms. Okay, So that is the key point here. Add the coefficient of the like terms. We already know that both of them have b's, so just add the -2 and the -8. So let's do that. This is how you're going to work it out. -2 plus the -8, open close bracket, b. So -2 plus -8 will give me a -10b. Okay, see how easy that was? Now this could be in decimals also, so I'm gonna bring up some decimals right now and see how that works. Consider that I have negative, 0, 3 e to the fourth power minus 0.2 e to the fourth power. Are they like terms? Yes, because they are variable, it is to the same power. So we put here 0.3 plus 0.2, negative, sorry about that, negative 0.2, close bracket, and we put here a to the fourth power. 0.3 plus a negative 0.2 will give me 0.1 a to the fourth power. Now, should I leave out that 0.1 just as in when we have a 1a? No, you cannot leave out this 0.1. This is very important. This shows that this is telling you it is only a fraction of that value. It is only a decimal of that value. Okay, so let's bring out our next example. Our next example is as follows. Simplify again. So we have here 2a minus 6b minus 10a plus 12b. How do we solve that? Okay, well, we need to combine like terms. 2a and 10a are like terms. We put 2a minus 10a and we put here plus the negative 6b plus the 12b. Here now we have 2 take away 10. I'm going to shortcut some more. A, I put here plus the negative 6 plus 12, open close bracket, b, and 2 take away 10 is going to give me negative 8a, and negative 6 plus 12 is going to give me plus 6b, and that is the simplified algebraic expression for that particular one there. Okay, so we're going to another one now where we will have brackets. So notice what we did here. We combine the 10a and the 2a, combine the negative 6b and the 12b. So let's bring out, I'm going to have a different problem, slightly different. So let me put here, I'm going to use black, have 2a plus 4 close bracket minus 4 open bracket 3a minus 6. Okay, now is that anything new? No. Imagine that piece, that's one of them. Imagine that that's another one. Okay, so this is what you do. I'm going to work this out underneath so we can see how it flows. 2 times a, applying the distributive law, 2 times a, bring on the plus sign, 2 times 4, then plus negative 4 times 3a, then minus negative 4 times 6. Here now 2 times a, 2a, 2 times 4 gives me 8, negative 4 times 3a, negative 12a, and here we have negative, and negative will make a positive, times 4 times 6 is going to give me plus 24. Now is that finished? No, because we can combine these like terms now. So we group them and this becomes 2a plus the negative 12a close bracket plus 8 plus 24. Why should I group them? Well, it's easier to work with. What if this had a lot of problems? It makes it easier to when they are grouped. So we work with their coefficients, keep them a. So 2 plus the negative 12 open close bracket a Now the 12 and the 8 and the 24, you don't need to do such thing because they're in the same kind of terms. 8 and 24 is going to give me 32. So 2 plus a negative 12 is going to give me a negative 10a plus 32. And that's our solution for that particular problem.